I predict you're going to love this set. Not only is there the magazine with instructions, but Hunky Dory is included. So let me show you. So the magazine is there, and then there are 50 foil die cuts from Hunky Dory. And you can see they're all with a floral design. Isn't that pretty, especially if I stop wiggling it? And you can see just really perfect for this time of year. So borders, greetings, all of those. And these large ones are actually 3 layers. So there's an outside frame, a middle frame, and the inside. So it just really makes your die cuts go farther. So 50 of these. There are 4 printed papers, and there are 8 double-sided. This is in the double-sided range. So you can see, and aren't they just pretty? That's what pretty always does well, don't you think? You can't go wrong with it. So here we have 8 double-sided. These are not adorable scoreable. They are paper, and there you go. You can see the back side. So front or back are just beautiful. Just like this. I want to make sure you see them all. And then they're, oh, pretty, yes. Yes, you can make those work. And then there are 4 printed papers. Now these are single-sided, so they're just kind of backgrounds, if you will. So there's swirls and more swirls and stripes. So there's 4 of those. And all of these are included, which is just a treat. Now in the magazine, let's see how they show us using them. Look, there's one right on the cover, just beautiful. And I think it's really fun to see other ways that you can use them. Of course, you know about gatefolds, but it's nice to see the interlocking the frames because you get so many of those frames. Here's another, and there is a card with a circle cut out and hanging or placing the center part of it on the inside of your card. How fun to make a little gift box. Hadn't thought of that, and that's what I like. There are ideas that I hadn't thought of. Here are more doing a window. I think this is very pretty, and it's nice to see other ideas, don't you think? Now this is die-cut gatefold cards. It's easy to forget about other ways that you can use your cutting dies to do a gatefold. Now we typically think of a gatefold of joining in the center, but how about having it a little off-center and use your cutting die there? That's a good way. You can see lots of uses here. And then this is using the stamps that you are, or excuse me, the other ideas for what you're getting. And then in the back, even more bright and beautiful gifts. Isn't that pretty? You just can't go wrong with these foil die cuts and the instructions that are included. In fact, you're going to see in the magazine, not sure if I can find it right now, but you'll see some other of the publications from Practical Publishing, and yes, we will have them all. Now, this just arrived, and we're delighted to have it, but we're even more delighted that the only place you'll find this is at paperwishes.com.